Hey y'all, I'm back as promised with what I eat in a week on Weight Watchers. I decided to include my weight at the beginning of the week and stick around at the end of the video for my weight at the end of the week. I like Weight Watchers because it helps me not to overeat. Because even sometimes when you think you're eating smaller portions, what you're eating can be packed with calories. And the whole time you thinking you're doing the right thing because it's a smaller portion, but you're not. Child, this week I said I'm going to do salads and fruit. But as you get into the video, you'll see that I did switch it up once or twice. I don't know. But yeah. For tonight's dinner, I went with tuna and some steamed shrimp, nice and seasoned. So good. At this very moment, this salad right here is 0 points until I start adding my salad dressing. I make sure to add just a drizzle of Parmesan cheese so that it don't accumulate to a point. And my croutons, I crush up probably 1 or 2 and sprinkle them around, and that's 0 points. So the whole salad is 0 points until dressing. At nighttime, I have a big snacking problem, so that's where fruit comes in. Day 2, and y'all, I'm so hungry today. I fast during the morning until 12, sometimes longer. Today I decided to add some banana rings into my salad. Oh my gosh. The flavor, like I love banana peppers, but I never added them to my salad. Adding them was a game changer. I decided to just do shrimp today. This salad looks simple, but it was so good. I know I said I was hungry, but no, it was really good. And again, 0 points until I add my dressing. I'm working on finding me a different dressing that I could kind of like switch back and forth to. Another one that's less fatty. So if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments. So, like I said, I was supposed to be doing salads and fruit all week, but for dinner, I wanted some hot food, and I just wanted something different, so I decided to do a piece of salmon and some veggies. Again, low salt seasonings that I use, and I steam my veggies, so that's 0 points. I season them up real nice, let them steam, and I bake my salmon. That's 0 points. This whole meal tonight is 0 points. I know the presentation isn't all that great, but y'all, this was so good. So juicy, just flavorful. It was just so bomb. And fruit to help kick my nighttime snacking. And then I'm going to finish the rest of that gallon of water and start my next one tomorrow. Surprise, surprise, another salad. I can't wait to do something different next week. For dinner, I ran yesterday's meal back. I had enough to make some for tonight and tomorrow, so I wouldn't have to make dinner tomorrow. And yeah, I added a sweet baked potato so delish. I didn't add anything to my potato. So this meal is 1 point because I used half of a potato. Good morning, y'all. Day 4. Today I decided to have just some fruit for lunch. As you know, I fast during the morning. I don't eat breakfast. Decided to have some fruit. Then I ended up getting hungry and I ate some of these. And then, you know, I had this already packed up for dinner from yesterday. Do y'all see that? From 218 to 212. Got my water and you guessed it, salad. I finished up the day with 2 salads and I think I had a snack. But yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know if you like this type of content or, you know, what I eat in a week, what I eat in a day, and weight checks and all that. Thanks for watching.